Yeah, I'm gonna watch this Coen Brothers.
Sorry, I couldn't resist. It's the ultimate cinematic experience.
It's getting better nice.
Superior full high-definition picture. And superior full high-definition surround sound. You'll always have the best seat in the house.
It's good.
Advanced pop-up menus let you interact with disc features without leaving the movie. Blu-ray's protective layer resists scratching and promises superior performance over longer periods of time.
Finally!
And the innovative Blue Laser technology offers 5 times the storage space of a typical DVD, which means more space for more cool content.
Clever.
Also, with existing Blu-ray players, you can still watch all your favorite DVDs. Dude. It's not just a dream. It's Blu-ray. Everything is better when you bring it home in blue.
Blu-ray disc high definition. Coming soon to DVD. Following previous sector of License and Motion Picture Association America.
Benjamin Gates has spent a lifetime hunting treasures that have been lost to history.
Take a look at this.
But when a secret from the past is uncovered,
Ladies and gentlemen, I present to you one of the missing pages from the diary of John Wilkes Booth.
history will be rewritten.
Your great-great-granddad planned the assassination.
It can't be. Now,
I need to see the page.
I leave 30 seconds to disable the alarm. Go.
You do that in 15 seconds.
That's what I tell people to get a dog.
his search to clear his family's name
Take a look at this.
has uncovered a secret he never expected to find.
There is a book, and it has the information you need. The President's Book of Secrets. A collection of documents for President's eyes only. The truth behind the JFK conspiracy. The missing minutes from the Watergate tapes. And of course, Area 51. The only way you'll ever see that book is if you get elected president. I'm gonna kidnap the President of the United States.
Wouldn't it have just been easier for us to make an appointment?
Code one! Code one!
Yet,
Don't kid yourself what we're capable of.
every clue leads one step closer.
You better. sent by the Queen. You're in danger.
You've got to find wherever that leads before they do.
To unlocking the mystery, the world isn't ready to believe.
Brent, wait. That could be a horrible trap.
Sorry, I couldn't resist.
Nicolas Cage.
National Treasure, Book of Secrets.
Coming soon to DVD, Disney DVD, and high definition Blu-ray. Now, related. Following previous sets of All Ages Motion Picture Association American. All Ages.
Elaine puts it in bed. She goes across to Dottie's, then she comes home, and Amanda is gone.
Who would take my little girl? She never hurt anybody.
4-year-old child. If we don't catch the abducted by day 1, only about 10% of it is solved. This is day 3.
Do you know people in the neighborhood that don't talk to the police?
Want to?
We want to hire you to augment the investigation.
It's not like that.
It's alright, we're fine.
You have to promise me.
Promise.
You ever investigated an abduction before?
I think Mr. McCready was hoping we could help with the neighborhood aspect of this investigation.
Half the guys you know are degenerates.
And you know what the other half are?
What?
Cops. Don't hold it against me.
And so, you asked me to find some people for you. Think I found them?
You said you didn't do it, fine. Turns out you're lying. I'm gonna bribe cops to go after you. I'm gonna tell everyone I know that you're a CI and a rat. I know a lot of people. Please two guns in the house.
What else? Swan will be here in 5 minutes.
You're not gonna wait for them?
No, wait.
You lied to me.
And Laura on its own.
Big enough for him to lie, small enough not to matter.
Search for answers.
You start running around here investigating the police.
Where'd he go?
And the beginning.
And don't try to take on something you don't have the shoulders for.
From the director, author. Yeah.
If you see me coming, you better run because I ain't gonna let you down. This child, it's all I care about. We're gonna bring him home.
Tell him I'm sorry.
How much?
What did you do?
Where I come from, you die with your secrets.
This is the kind of thing that if you do, Patrick, you want to be sure. Are you sure?
No.
Gone, Baby Gone. A film by Ben Affleck. Now on DVD and Blu-ray DVD.